Hey everybody, welcome back to IP Farms. It seems like I'm always carrying you around anymore. It's cold, for North Carolina that is. I gotta see if I can get this header cart in the shop. We've got a torrential amount of rain and wind and wintry mix coming Saturday. So hopefully you've seen the header cart video, and we're gonna try our luck at putting the 165 to it and see how long it takes me to back it in the shop. That ought to be interesting. So let's get started. Leather's in the tongue, and we can pull a pin and take that off. It's completely inside, just like I want it to. I've got plenty of room to walk around it and work. Now I can put my poor man's garage door back up. So we got a bunch of wind and stuff and rain. So my jet heater over there should warm this space up pretty good. Not the best with backing the wagon gear yet, so got a lot to learn, but we got it in here. The cart did exactly what I wanted it to do. And no, I didn't say it in another video, but I have not bolted these down yet or put the brackets on. I plan on doing the tongue piece and these. I think I'm just going to do these. I don't think I'm going to do the tongue no more. I'm going to pull it. That bolt worked fine. But I've got to, I think I'm going to take these rails out and get all the wood and the rails off so that I have access back closer to the auger for the fingers there, check bearings, get all that debris and stuff out. And then we'll work our way back out. So one thing on this other header I'm going to show you if you guys know anything about it. Logan, Cousin Scott, and you gleaner guys, Jack, tell me what the difference is. If it's just something somebody's done as a farmer fix or add-on, or if it was factory and it's just been repaired. But let's go out here and look at that, and then we'll probably call it for today. Well, if you can see that says 13 on it. Serial number is FKS 38179. Thought that was a little strange. My other head says 10. This is a 10-foot head. Now, anyway. Notice how that star is not in the center of the feeder house, like the one in the shop. Notice these little sections right here with a weld and a weld. Notice these bolts. Somebody's ground the nuts off, heads of the bolts, rivets, whatever was in there. That's not a factory weld, nor is that. Somebody cut 3 feet off of this head and shortened it and shortened the reel and everything to make a 10-foot head. What are the odds of that for me to get some kind of oddball thing like that? Wow. Hopefully you can see that the one in the shop. Here's the factory 10-foot. The star's right in the middle. And then see if I can get you a shot of the serial number, or at least where it says 10. Sorry about the shadows. Probably can't read that, but that one says 10. So we got a little bit of a problem because these bars are different lengths on that head because it's been shortened. So I may end up having to go to Oakley's and get one. That was the main thing I was wanting off that head, but there's still other things there that we can use. So probably break this video up into several, guys, because I've already wasted probably 10 minutes of your time just babbling, but I want to give you a heads up on what all was going on. So we'll see if I can get my poor man's garage door up, and then we'll go from there. Well, we got the poor man's garage door up. I think I'm going to put me a screen door over there in that corner, move the compressor in that cabinet. When I've got a big project in here like this header that's not going anywhere for probably a month, I could pin that tarp down tight through the rings, and we would stay really warm in here. That might be coming down the ladder. Well, I think I'm going to say this is part one of the header rebuild. Got it in here. Cart worked out great. Told you the dilemmas we ran into with the parts machine. Really hate that in a sense, but you know, it is what it is. I'm not sure. I may end up just taking the long bar off of that other one and cutting it down and re-welding it. We'll just have to see. But I've got to get all this off anyway so I can get back in there and see what all we got on the cutter bar and the floor and the auger, and replace all the finger brackets and stuff. So we'll just jump right into part two with some actual wrench turning. Got an idea on the header cart while it's in here too, as far as getting those boards situated. So we'll capture all that, see what happens. So really appreciate everything, guys. Thank you for following on the journey with me here. Definitely stay tuned. Got a lot of work to do on this. We got some other projects coming up, and got some other goodies coming down the ladder as well. So never know what you're gonna get. It's like a box of chocolates. I've said it a lot. So we'll see what happens over the next couple of days, and we'll bring you back on part two for this. Till then, thank you.